What are you doing here? Me? What are you doing here? I came to eat Silly Chef Garby's Christmas cookies! No! I came to eat Silly Chef Garby's Christmas cookies! No, me! No, me! No, me! Me!
Hello?
He's coming!
Hey, did you see some Christmas gnomes in here? Some gnomes came into my kitchen because they heard I was making some yummy Christmas cookies. Have you seen them? Okay, well, they seem to be gone now. And don't worry, I didn't let them get their hands on the goods. Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Silly Chef Garby. What's your name? Well, welcome back. This is a very special episode for you to join me today because it is Christmas time in Silly Chef Garby's kitchen, and today I'm gonna make some delicious Christmas cookies. Would you like to help me? Okay, let's go. Welcome back. Today we have a very special request from Sebastian's mom in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Sebastian said that his favorite cookie is a chocolate chip Christmas cookie, and we're gonna make that today. Are you ready to help me? Okay, now remember in our kitchen, there's 2 rules that we always follow. You know what they are? Number 1, always wash your hands. And number 2, always with the grown-up. Let's go ahead and get started on rule number 1. All right, my hands are nice and clean. Now, before we get started, I want to show you someone who's going to be helping me in the kitchen today. This is straight from Santa. His name is Jerry the Elf. He's going to be watching over me today to make sure that we do the cookies exactly like Santa likes them. Now, please help me watch Jerry. He can be a little bit of a trickster and he likes to take my stuff. So we're going to have to make sure we keep an eye on Jerry when we make these cookies. Isn't that right, Jerry? Okay, you're going to be good today? All right, as you know, before we bake, we preheat our oven. I've got our oven set to 350 degrees. Let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be working with today.
All-purpose flour, a stick of butter, brown and white sugar, vanilla extract, 1 egg, semi-sweet chocolate chips, Christmas chocolate candies, baking soda, and salt.
All right, so for the chocolate Christmas candies we're using today, I didn't show you the package, but I bet you can have an idea of what they're called. I'll give you a clue. They rhyme with Schmem&Ms, okay? Now let's go ahead and get started on the rest of our things. We're gonna separate the ingredients and get them in their bowls and get them a mixing. Let's go.
Okay, in the bowl we're going to combine the flour, the baking soda, and half teaspoon of our pink salt.
Okay, the flour's combined. We're now gonna take a large mixing bowl and we're gonna add our sugar and our butter, okay? So let's go ahead and get our white and brown sugar right into this big bowl. And then I've got the butter in a bowl. That's because I'm gonna microwave the butter so I can make it soft, okay? Ah! Where's my butter? Have you seen my butter? Was it those gnomes again? Just 1 second.
Jerry! Hey, give me my butter! I told you we were mischievous. Give me my butter!
I got it. But that was a challenge. That little elf is stronger than he looks. But it's okay. I got the butter back. We're gonna make sure we do these cookies the right way so both Sebastian and Santa can have their favorite cookies ever.
Are you kids still there?
Yes!
Okay, everything's nice and mixed. Look how yummy that looks. Wait, what is it? Did you see the gnome again? That gnome. Jerry, do your job. You let me know if you see that gnome. Okay, I've got the chocolate candies and the chocolate chips mixed in. Look how nice and yummy that looks. Let's get this scooped onto the tray so we can get it in the oven. All right, it's the moment we've been waiting for. What do you say we try one of these cookies, huh? Come on. Look at that. I think Santa's gonna approve. That is delicious, chewy, warm, gooey, everything you want in a chocolate chip cookie. Let's take a look and see how these look on the plate. Everyone, thank you so much for helping me make these delicious Christmas cookies today. They turned out amazing. I think even Jerry the Elf approves here. Thank you so much to Sebastian and his mom for sending in this request from Grand Rapids. And I really hope Santa likes these. Parents, as always, if there is a recipe that you or your little one would like me to make, please send in the request to this email below and your recipe could be featured in the next episode. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Continue following Chef Garby. I'm going to be making new videos every week and I really want you to come along with me on this journey. Now, the most important step of all is coming. Let's go put these by the tree for Santa so he can enjoy some when he comes for the presents. All right.